Hey guys, so today I've got another toilet flush to be changing. So there's different types of toilet flushes. A lot of them are obsolete now, so I'm going to show you this one that I'm going to be doing today. Again, check out the other videos for the toilet flushes, because you will be able to find the one you've got, and they are pretty easy to change out. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Right, so here we are, another toilet flush that's broken. Now this is a Roca D2D with screwed rods. And I'll show you how to identify this one. So normally this part is on the top of here, and these are the screwed rods that you use. Now you'll have to save these, and just save the button and the screw as well, because it doesn't come with the new part. So what we'll do is we're going to basically take this out and put the new one in. So again, let's get the new one out. So this is the new one. Basically what we do is we twist it, and we twist it off the cradle at the bottom there. So that comes off the cradle. We do the exact same thing on the inside of here. So we can literally twist. So we've twisted this out. There's no need to turn off the water, because the water's just going to flow down. So we've twisted this one out. And all we're going to do is with this one, you can see the little bits here and the little bits there. What we need to do is put it in, and make sure this little bit here, you see that little bit there, lines up with this little bit here, or it doesn't go in fully. And when it does, you can then twist that on. That will then fill itself back up. Once it's filled up, the water will stop. So we'll just give that a second to fill up, and then I'll show you how to change the top itself. Okay, so now that's filled back up with water, we're going to take the old part, and we're actually going to take these screwed rods here. These screwed rods out, so we just screw them out. That's one, and the other one, screw that one out. And then we're going to screw them back into these parts here. So we screw them. So these are basically the little bits that the push button pushes down to flush the toilet itself. So we're going to just get them in. This moves so that it can be centralised into the centre of the actual cistern lid. So as you can see, this can be centralised into the cistern lid. Now these themselves need to be slightly just above, the actual cistern lid for when these buttons go on. This is the button holder, so basically you're going to be sliding that in here. So that these are the two little buttons that push down when these are put on top. Now I'm going to put this together, and then I'm going to take it off to show you how to take these off, because some of them are all different. basically the one with the little lip on goes on first, and what you should find is it should be flush at the top, so that needs to come up slightly a little bit more. So if we take that again to a screwdriver, and what we can do is just use a screwdriver in the middle there and just bring it up a little bit more, and bring that one up a little bit more, just so that when that sits in there you can see it's flush with the top. The second one then goes on there. So the second one is the moon shaped one, and that would basically go in there, and it clicks in and holds that in place, and basically you've got it flush. So that's the short flush, and then the big moon is the long flush. Now I'm going to show you how to do this because you've got to screw in the middle of that to hold it. So take these out. Different buttons are different, so sometimes we screw these off and it comes off as one. Sometimes you can lift the lid off and it's a little catch underneath. These are slightly different. So with the rockers, what you need to do is you need to push down, and you see you've got a little gap at the bottom. So you push it down and you get your screwdriver underneath and you lift it up, and that takes out that one, a screwdriver, and this one will take out this one, and then in the middle there you've got the screw. So this is the screw that goes in the centre. You get your screwdriver. I'm obviously going to tighten this one up because I'm putting this one in, but again, to take this out, you just unloosen that one. So that is now tight in. So to get this actual toilet cistern off, is you've got to take out these, as I've just shown you, and then undo that screw in the middle. That brings the button out, which allows you to take off the cistern lid, and that is a Roca D2D changing. So on these Roca systems, how we take this lid off, because it's connected on there. Some of them you can screw, obviously this one you can't screw. What it is basically we need to push down this circular one, and then underneath you've got a little bit where you can pull this up. That pulls up. The second one pulls out, and then in the centre there, you can see it, you have got a screw. But if you unscrew that all the way until it comes out, this button then lifts out with the screw, and then the cistern lid can come off as simple, and you can get in and you can change any part that you need to change. So if you like these videos, remember to hit that like button, subscribe. It makes the channel grow. It allows me to do a lot more videos for yourselves.